of you. Good morning, children. Okay. Identify Panilama. Okay. Chair. Ratish Ram, what it is?
It is your pen.
Very good. Sabaris, what it is?
It is your note. It is your book.
Very good. Dayalini, what it is?
It is your select.
Very good. Ajines, what it is?
It is your box.
Very good.
It is
Yadan, what is this? It is a
water.
very good. Varnika, what is this?
It is your tumbler.
Very good. Rutsana, what it is?
It is your
Plate.
pen.
Very good.
It is a bag.
Very good, Aksida. What it is?
It is a chair.
It is a very good, very good, very good.